Hi, welcome to the ANY.RUN channel. ANY.RUN Interactive Malware Sandbox enables cybersecurity professionals to analyze threats in real time by interacting directly with malware in a virtual machine. From monitoring and triage to incident response and digital forensics, ANY.RUN enhances security team efficiency by streamlining workflows for analysts of all experience levels. Today, we'll show you how to launch a new sandbox session and what settings you can apply before submitting a sample. Now we are on the main page of app.any.run, ready for analysis. Let's click the New Analysis button. There are a couple of ways to configure your virtual machine in the cloud. In simple mode, you can upload a file or insert a link and choose an operating system. You can analyze various types of files, including executables, documents, archives, email files, LNK files, scripts, and more. Let's switch to Pro mode to configure the settings. You can use the drop-downs to choose the startup directory and, when analyzing links, a default web browser. Then add a command to customize the startup behavior. Type your own or use a preset. Use the slider to set the execution time with the maximum of 24 minutes. Network stream analysis will quickly become one of your most used ANY.RUN features. Try experimenting with the options. MITM proxy intercepts the traffic coming in and out. Select it to decrypt HTTPS encrypted traffic. Fake net mimics an internet environment without actually connecting to the web. For an extra layer of security, you can route traffic via Tor, activate residential proxy, or use a custom VPN. One of ANY.RUN's major advantages is how quickly you can analyze the same sample in a variety of machine configurations. Select the OS, either Windows or Linux, and Bitness. You can also change what software comes pre-installed in your VM. The Clean option provides a bare OS. The Office preset includes Microsoft Office Suite, and the Complete option mimics a real PC with various popular programs. The Development software set includes essential tools for deep malware investigation, which security teams use to analyze complex or specific threats. Automated interactivity simulates user behavior within the sandbox to trigger malware execution. This enhances threat detection and reduces the manual effort required for threat analysis. You can control who has access to the sandbox session or set a self-delete timer. For our paid users, sessions will run in private mode. This provides businesses with a secure way to examine sensitive internal data and maintain regulatory compliance. At this point, simply click Run to open a new window with the virtual machine's video stream. Almost immediately after initialization, you'll be able to interact with it, control the execution process, and manipulate the malware's behavior, which is not possible with automated solutions. ANY.RUN will simultaneously record system activity. It will display processes spawned by the object in question in real time and mark suspicious and malicious activity. You can also rerun a sandbox session and adjust the necessary configurations to observe how the malware behaves under different settings, enabling a more accurate and thorough analysis. Empower your security team with faster alert and incident investigation through a tailored customization, detailed reports, unlimited sandbox sessions, and intuitive interface. Streamline analysts' workflows, enabling them to handle more incidents in less time, all while gaining actionable insights to improve security operations. Contact us today to request trial of ANY.RUN services for your company.